Hi, Louise.
Hi, Kathy.
I am so excited to be with you in this moment because you are actually the very first person to have your hands on my book, Live Compassion. Uh, yeah, other than me and the person who helped me publish it. So I'm excited for you and thanks for joining me and recording this. So let's open it and see what you think.
Okay, I'm so excited. This is,
Yeah.
I'm really feeling special here that I am the first person that we know of that's received the book uh, through Amazon. Can you see it? Is it straight?
Yeah, yeah, perfect.
Yeah, I can't wait to get into it. It's, I've heard about it and I'm excited about it, so I just can't wait.
Yeah, anything come to mind as you just look at it? How is it to just kind of look at it and have your hands on it?
Well, just flipping through it, I just love seeing all the topics that you've addressed.
Mhm,
Just
mhm.
everywhere I open, I find things of interest: natural giving, submission, emergency self-empathy, needs of others. Every time I flip, there's something wonderful. Yeah, thank you. I'm going to enjoy this book thoroughly.
Yeah, I'm delighted that you have it, and thank you for sharing this special moment with me. And I'll look forward to hearing how it is for you as you work with it and maybe share it with your practice group and have some fun.
Yes, I will have some fun and I will report back.
Yay.
Yeah,
Thanks, Louise. Enjoy.
thanks. I definitely will. Bye bye.
Bye.